Okay, guys, solving problems involving inequalities. This first example, they just want us to practice setting up an inequality. Okay? So when we look at this, actually the printed thing, it had it in color, so I put parentheses. Okay? So be looking for the stuff in your homework from the parentheses. That's what you're going to want to look for. But it says in example 1, choose a variable to represent the number indicated in color. In parentheses, really. You won't see the color because your homework's black and white. And then B says, use the variable to write an inequality based on the information, on the given information. All right, so here's what they've given us. After addressing 75 envelopes, a political volunteer has fewer than 26 envelopes left to address. Now A says, choose a variable to represent the number indicated in the parentheses. Well, what variable would you like to use, Max?
Z.
Okay, we'll let Z. And what does Z stand for, Max?
It stands for the envelope.
It stands for the total number of envelopes, right? Total number of envelopes. All right. There's an E right there. All right. Now, the B part says use the variable to write an inequality based on the given information. So how can I write, using Z, an inequality given this information? What would you do there, Reed?
Do Z minus 75.
The total number minus 75, the number you've addressed, right? Okay.
Is less than 26.
Is less than 26. That means the number you have left, the total minus 75, is less than 26. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
That's it. Now we could easily solve that, right? We just add 75 to both sides to find out what the total was. I don't even know what that was. 101, right? If they want, they didn't ask us to solve it here. They will, but they didn't. But if they did, I'd just add 75 to both sides, and I'd get that Z has to be less than 101. Okay, that'd be it. That means the total number of envelopes would have to be less than 101. Any questions on that before we go on? Jordan, you good? Reed, you good? Evan?
Yeah.
All right. Let's look at the next one.